POV. You need to copy some notes from your friend Google because you have no actual friends. Sad. Oh, now you don't know what true means anymore. Don't worry, Google can help. He's a really cool friend. And you know what's even cooler? Just go back to search, select text from within the notes. Yes, the picture of the note. Then copy. Go to your message app or anywhere you can type.